Today I'm going to discuss about the string buffer class. So what is string buffer class and why it used? As we seen yesterday regarding the string builder class. So it is also same like string um, string builder class, string builder class. So we are going to discuss about the string buffer class today. So how it will be used and what is the string buffer class is used to create the mutable classes. However, we have seen that it is used to create the mutable of the it's the same like to create mutable string class. Okay, string class object or string objects we can say. So string buffer class is in the Java is the same as the string class except uh, it is mutable. So string buffer class say same as the string class. The string buffer class is the same as string class except immutability. Yes, except immutability. Except is mutable. Okay, mutable means we can change. It can be changed. That is that is it can be changed. Okay. And the fourth point is uh the noted point we have is like we can that string buffer classes string buffer class is thread safe. It is thread safe. So it is thread safe. Uh, multiple threads cannot access it simultaneously. So it means what it means. Why we are like uh, so why we are calling it is thread safe. So why we are means like multiple threads cannot access simultaneously. So it is safe. So it is it is safe. It means multiple threads cannot be accessed simultaneously. And okay, sorry, we can't access multiple tasks, multiple objects, memory locations. So we can access step by one. So that's why it is safe and will result in an order. So what we'll do is it will give the result in a particular order. Result in an order. Okay. So this is the point for the string buffer class. So as we seen that string builder class, we have a three important constructors. The same it is for it is same like for the string buffer class as well. So what it is means the differences is we will use the capacity string buffer like int capacity where the length capacity. So string buffer ff. Okay. ff. ff. So this is the difference. Like it's same like I say string builder. So so గట్టిగా so so we have that three constructors which we can pass the value to the object. Whenever we are creating an object, so we will call the constructor, right? So whenever we are this is the default constructor which we can call it creates the empty string. Okay, empty string buffer, empty string buffer. So with the initial capacity of the 16, so it creates the string buffer with the specified string. Okay, and it creates the specified capacity of the length as the length. Okay, these are the three important constructors, and we have the methods, important methods for these also the same as like so important methods of string buffer. So string buffer class can have the important methods. What are the important methods we have? Append. Okay, append. So it is synchronizer, right? So where we are calling it is the synchronized. There is thread safe and it is synchronized. So we here what we have discussed, it is non-synchronized, but it is synchronized. The difference is it is synchronized. Synchronized means we can access uh, the objects one by step. Not at a time we can access it, right? So that is the difference. So and in the string builder we can access at a time multiple objects, but here we can access step by step. Okay, so that is the difference. And so in that string, so so in the string buffered methods, what we have append method we have, an insert method same we have, uh, and it is a synchronized string buffer, public synchronized Synchronized string. Okay. Okay. Synchronized string buffer. Replace same. Replace delete. We have the theme and reverse also same and capacity ensure capacity and we have the caret and length substring here the same. These are the same methods whatever we have present in the string builder class. Okay, so what is string mutable string? Mutable string means what? So we are discussing mutable. What is mutable string? What is mutable string? Okay, what is mutable string? So any idea? I have already told what is the mutability mean. So a string, a string that
Change.
can be modified or changed, right?
Yes, sir.
Modified or changed is known as mutable. Okay. String buffer and string builder classes are used for creating a mutable string. Okay. String buffer and string builder classes are used for string buffer and string builder classes are used for creating mutable strings. Okay. So this is the thing. So for every program, as you written, just we have to create that string methods like. So the example of this is here string buffer we can use and we can create the object for the string buffer class and the remaining was same or however the methods using for the string builder we can use for the same. Okay, but the difference is it is a synchronized way of accessing the objects. Okay, when we are writing it is a synchronized way of accessing the threads, multiple threads we can access. Multiple thread we cannot access at the same time. That's why it is uh, thread safe. So it is we can access multiple threads simultaneously same time. Okay, so this point uh, also we can keep it here. Okay, it is not thread safe and thread safe multiple thread can access it simultaneously. So it is not safe and using this in not an order. Okay, this is the difference of the string buffer class and string builder class. So and if we coming to that, what is the major difference of the string buffer and string builder class? Uh, Differences between string buffer and string builder class. So it is what we discussed. It is synchronized. It is non-synchronized. It is synchronized. String buffer is synchronized. It is non-synchronized. Okay. And uh, thread safe, which means it is thread safe. String buffer is thread safe. String buffer class is thread safe, and string builder is not a thread safe. Okay. So string buffer is less efficient than string builder. So string, it is less efficient. Like we can make a comment note of it. String buffer, string builder is more efficient. Okay. So string buffer is less efficient. String, this is string buffer, right? String buffer is less efficient. And string buffer was introduced in Java 1.0. This is introduced used in Java 1.0. Okay. And string builder is used introduced in was introduced in. Okay. So next string builder is introduced in 1.5 version Java 1.5. Okay. So the differentiate is will demonstrate just a second. String builder and string buffer. What is the difference? We'll add the program. Add a program. Whenever we are testing the performance test of the string buffer and string builder, let's see the code check for performance string buffer, string builder class. So uh, string buffer will take 16 milliseconds. For string builder, it will take the 0 milliseconds to update the uh, program. Let's do a simple program. We'll write string builder and string buffer. Let's write a simple program for it. String builder, string buffer, class string buffer class. Okay, string buffer class. I'm writing public static void main. So string box. Okay. So I'm writing here the string buffer class string buffer sp string buffer string like buffer class buffer. I will keep new string buffer. One, I will pass the one string hello. What I'm going to do is buffer dot append. Okay, append hello Java. So, yeah, from appending the value to the existing string buffer object. Okay, system dot system dot print ln. Okay, I'm going to display the buffer. So this is the same like I can create a class for here. I'm going to instead of string buffer, I'm going to write the string build. Okay, string builder class. Okay. Instead of build. Okay, so I'm going to create an object of builder class just using the okay. So this is the examples of this example of the string builder and string buffer class. String buffer and string builder and string buffer class. So whenever we coming to the performance test, so we will write that. So if we same, if we are writing in a, if we give the a timer, we set the time to that. So how it will be taken? We'll see how much time it will take. Okay. So we'll see that program once. So performance test of string builder, string buffer, and string builder class. Yeah. So we'll see that the performance test like writing the program for seeing. So I have taken this example. We'll just uh, put the class name is uh, performance class. Okay. So it's same. I have used this. So I'm going to take the two variables. So one is that start time. So long start time. Start time equal to system dot system dot uh, system of current time milliseconds. Current time millisecond. Millis. This is a method in the system class. So I'm using that and start time and I'm creating a string buffer variable. So using the same. Next, I have given that here hello or Java, anything that is fine. So um, let's dig into that. This append will be put in that loop for loop. How much time it will take? Okay, int I equal to 0. So I less than 10,000 milliseconds. 10,000 milliseconds. I plus plus. Okay. So next, I'm going to append a value to here Java code. I'm appending it. Okay. So after that, I'm going to print the um, so time taken by buffer. Okay. So in this, I'm going to print the system.current um, I will call this current milliseconds. I will call it. Okay. So I'm going to add one more. In this, I'm going to display the milliseconds. Okay. This is the same. And the start time for again, I'm going to start the same for the string builder class. So already I have initialized once. So I'm going to start the again here start time. Instead of string buffer, I'm going to use the string builder. Okay. So instead of string buffer, I'm going to use the string builder. So okay, I'm going to append the same to that. Okay. So this is minus start time, right? So here also minus start time. I have to write minus start time. We have to. So let's run this code and let's copy. I'm going to save and new. Let's save it as performance test class. Performance test class. So I'm going to save this class in the Java code, the performance test class.java. I've saved it and I'm going to run the code. Okay. Give me 2 minutes. Let's complete this now. Okay. So I've compiled it just and I'm going to run this program. So it has taken 3 milliseconds. String buffer taken 3 millisecond string builder. So I have to add a spaces here. I haven't added the spaces. And this is a string builder class. Work string builder and string buffer. Okay. So this is that I'm going to save it. I'm going to recompile. So I'm going to run it. So it has taken 2 milliseconds and it is taken 1 millisecond. The performance is string builder is more efficient, string buffer is less efficient. That is the difference. Okay. So if we increase that this uh, buffer time, loop time, then it will increase more, some more. Okay. So you can check that as well. 18 milliseconds and 5 milliseconds. So how much we want, we looped it. So the performance is the less performance it is showing by the string buffer, and the more performance is showing by the performance efficient. More efficient is string builder. Okay, this is the difference. Okay, so let's please write for the examples of the string buffer class as well. That is the homework for string buffer class. So please write the string buffer class. Practice on the string buffer class. That's it. That is your homework. Okay. So today's the class over. Thank you all. That's
Okay, sir.